stem food, potato.
Okay.
Stem food is potato and sugar cane. Onion and sugar cane.
Yes, very nice, very nice. Mute your mic, everyone. Yes, mute your mic. Yes. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday,
Now open the textbook.
don't open your textbook, children. Don't open your textbook. Okay, I will tell when you have to open your science textbook.
Open the English textbook.
Fine.
Page numbers.
Yesterday, I have started with the lesson number 2, that is uses of plants, right? So, plants are very useful to us in many ways. Yesterday, we have studied about we have studied about plant as food, right? So, plants will be having many parts like stem, root, flowers, fruits, right? So those parts we are using it as a food. That one we have discussed yesterday. In today's class, we will learn few more uses of plants. Okay? Now, everybody can open your science textbook, page number 12. Okay? In that, oil is made from seeds.
Page number.
12. I will type in the chat box. See page number 12. Okay. Page number 12 in your textbook. Fine. So now I am sharing the slide.
And page number. Which textbook?
Which subject I am taking, children?
12. My page number is 12.
Yes. Okay.
Environmental studies.
Are you able to see the slide? Yes. Show me your thumb. Show me your thumb. That's it. Should not unmute your mic. Okay, fine. Today we will learn few more uses of plants. Okay. From the plants, we can also produce the oils. We also get oil from the plants. Okay. Oil is used for cooking and oiling the hair. Right. Not only for cooking and oiling the hair, for example, greasing. So everything. So for example, some of the machines, okay, we will use some oils that we are going to get it from the plants, Today we will learn about the few plants which gives us the oil. Okay, so in that, first one is castor oil, okay, or castor oil. So this is also called as resinous oil. Okay, the castor oil will get from the castor plant seeds. Okay, the seeds which we obtain from the castor plant, from that seed we are going to extract the oil. We are going to extract the oil from the seeds. You can see the plants here. Okay, the castor seeds are very lightweight in nature. Castor seeds are very lightweight in nature, and it can be easily carried by the wind and easily dispersed in the land very easily. Okay, if you have a one castor plant in your garden, everybody mute your mic. Mute your mic. Mute your mic. Everybody mute your mic, children.
Now open the 12 page number. Who is playing game?
Yes, okay, see here. You should not disturb me. Yeah. Castor seeds are very lightweight in nature and it can be easily carried through the winds. Okay, so if you have a one castor plant in your garden, in few days you can see many of the castor plants in the rainy season. Okay, so when those seeds come in contact with the moisture, with the rainwater, so then it is going to germinate, then it is going to grow as a plant, then it will grow as a big plant. Okay, so those plants are going to provide us the castor seeds. From that castor seeds, we are going to extract the castor oil. In Kannada, we call it as haralende. Okay, maximum we will use this for reducing our body temperature. We will apply on our forehead. Okay, some of this castor oil we will use sometimes as a medicinal purpose if we have a stomach pain. So then we are going to have a little quantity, a small quantity of castor oil. So that one we will put on our palm and we will do a paste like that, white paste. Then we will have it 1 or 2 drops so that it can reduce our stomach pain also. Okay, castor oil we use to reduce our body temperature, and for doing puja also we will use, and for the diyas, and we also use it as a medicine to reduce our body temperature. Okay, then how we are going to extract this castor oil? By the mechanical process, by churning it in the machines we are going to get it. You can see here, this is a castor seeds, this is a these seeds will be present in the, I am taking the science class, so you have to open your science textbook, page number 12. Okay, you can see in the bottle, this is a castor oil. It will be having a thick consistency. Okay, castor oil will be having a very thick consistency. This is a seed. Okay, when it is fresh in the plant, it will look like this. You have to cut open to get these seeds. Okay, next one is coconut oil. Yes, we all see this coconut oil in our home, right? You may be having a parachute or some other, okay, nariyal tails, right? You will be having in your home. Usually you will apply this oil to your head daily, right? So why you will apply the coconut oil to your hair? To nourish your hair, to look beautiful, right? To look bright, right? See here, this coconut oil is produced in the coconut seeds. Okay, so coconut fruit. Fine. See here, what are the benefits of this coconut oil? Coconut oil, what are all the benefits of this coconut oil? So coconut oil boosts our immunity. Okay, coconut oil will boost our immunity. So 1 second. Okay, so it helps in the fat burning process. Okay, it helps in the fat burning process. It balances our cholesterol level in our body. Okay, there are many uses are there. Okay, when you will grow up in your higher classes, you are going to learn more. Okay, and it is going to remove your aches. Any pains will be there in your body if you apply this coconut oil, and if you do the massage, then it will relieve your body pain. Okay, so Indian snana madadu anta heltare alva, that time also we will use the coconut oil for this. Okay, and it will acts like an antifungal agent. Okay, coconut oil, if you apply to the any infected area, okay, it is going to cure. Okay, there are many uses are there from the coconut oil. Coconut oil we will use for the cooking purpose also. For preparing churmuri, if you add 1 spoon of coconut oil, it will give a delicious taste, right? So many delicious foods are preparing by using this coconut oil. And this is a coconut tree. Okay, next is a sunflower oil. So in your home, your mother will be bringing. So for cooking purpose, they will bring the oils in a big covers or in a cans, right? 5 liters cans or the 10-liter cans or in a 1 liter package, right? So you may have seen that it's a cooking oil, refined oil, right? So refined oil. How you are going to extract? How you are going to get this oil for cooking purpose? Okay, see here, they are going to get the sunflower oil from the sunflower seeds. Okay, from the sunflower seeds. Who is, yeah, so nobody should present anything. Okay, so use your children, use your headphone to hear my words very carefully. Okay, sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds we are using.
Ma'am, page number. Page number
12 children. Page number 12.
Page number 12.
Seeds. In your textbook only they had given you can get the oil from the groundnut, coconut as well as the mustard. Okay, so here I am showing you many of the plants from where we can get the oil, cooking oil. Okay, so this is the sunflower seed. We are going to get the oil from these seeds. The seeds will look like this, the oil will look like this. Okay, there are many healthy benefits we can get from this sunflower oil. Okay, helps in providing a cardiovascular benefits. Okay, so whatever it is heart related, any disease will be there, it is going to prevent. Okay, so helps in lowering of the cholesterol. This oil also helps in lowering of the cholesterol, the fat depositing in your body. So that is going to be reduced by this sunflower oil. Okay, reducing the premature sign of aging. If you use this oil regularly, you can avoid aging. Okay, so many healthy benefits are there in the sunflower oil. We are going to get this sunflower cooking oil from the sunflower seeds. Is that clear? Next is soya bean oil. We are going to get this one from the soya bean seeds. I will show you the soya bean seeds, how it will look like. It will look like a black-eyed peas. Okay, so from this also we are going to get oil. Okay, what are the benefits of this oil? This will also helps in reducing the cholesterol. Okay, so there are many uses we may get. Okay, by using the soya bean oil. We are going to get the soya bean oil, cooking oil from the soya bean seeds. And next one is peanut oil, shea bija, right? Peanut oil. So, what are the benefits of this peanut oil? So, peanuts, we are using it for the medicinal use also. Okay, it is going to provide us high heat. Okay, your body is, if you eat the peanut, then your body will be in high heat. Okay, it will regulate your body temperature. Okay, it is going to reduce your cholesterol. Okay, it lowers the cholesterol and medicinal uses. Okay, and it is going to prevent the cancer. If you use the peanut oil, then because of the high temperature, it is going to prevent the cancer, prevent the heart diseases, and so we can get many more skincare products from the peanut oil. Okay, so if you have it raw, then also it is good. If you use the peanut oil, then also it is very good for your health. Okay, from the dry fruits also we can get the oil. Okay, for example, the cashew nuts, godambi, right? Cashew nuts helps in controlling the cholesterol, blood sugar level, prevent the migraines. Taleno tumba varutte alva. So for them, if we give the cashew nuts, okay, so the cashew nut oil will help in the reducing the migraine and high blood pressure, reducing the high blood pressure. Almond, okay, so we can get the cooking oil. So this almond oil, we can get the almond oil from the almonds, badami. Okay, almonds will help in increasing the memory level of yours. Okay, if you eat daily 2 to 3 almonds daily, then you can increase your memory level. Okay, walnuts. Okay, this helps in reducing the cardiovascular diseases. Cardio means heart related disease can be reduced. Okay, your brain is going to work more. Okay, so your memory level is going to increase more if you eat the walnut. Then raisins, drakshi, vana drakshi. Okay, that is rich in oil, so rich in iron, and they promotes the blood circulation. Bodily blood circulation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, it is going to increase, ತುಂಬಾ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Next, cardamom, ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ. Okay, it stabilizes the blood sugar, helps in digestion and prevention of heart diseases. Okay, we can get the oils from the dry fruits also. To check whether it will give the oil or no, you can do one activity that is given in your textbook. I will send you today. Okay, what you have to do for that. Okay, the project zone will be there in your textbook in the page number 19. That one I will give you as a homework today. Okay, next, the walnut plant. Have you seen the walnut plant? I told you the walnut, this one. So this is how it will look like. This is a walnut tree. This is walnut seed. After it getting dry, we can see the walnut seeds here. And this is a cashew nut plant. Okay, you can see this cashew nut. See here, cashew nut will look like this. This is a seed. Okay, you have to burn it. Inside that, you will get the dry cashew nuts. Okay, if you want to get the fresh cashew nuts, okay, so then you have to cut open the young cashew seeds. Then you have to cut open. Then you are going to get a fresh cashew nuts. It will be very healthy for human beings. Then this is the almond plant. These plants you can see in our school garden also. Okay, so badami, almond. Okay, you will get in the almond tree. And this is a raisin plant. You can see in the grape veins. Okay, so they will do some procedure to make it a dry fruit. Okay, they will dry it in a sunshade. Later they will apply some of the preservatives so that it can preserve it for a longer time. We can keep it for a longer time. Okay, next, cardamom plant, elaki plant. So how the seeds will look like? Many of you maybe have not seen how the cardamom seed will look like. See, this is how it will look like. Okay, and the plant will look like this. Okay, the plant will look like this. This is a original plant. Yeah, the plant will, cardamom plant will look like this. You can identify. See here, this is, you can see the seeds, how the seeds will be the fruits of a cardamom plant, fruits of a cardamom plant. Okay, see here. Yeah, plants gives us spices. Okay, so till now we have studied the plants gives us oil. Okay, many plants will give us oil. So what are the plants we have learned today? Castor plant, coconut tree oil, castor oil, coconut oil. Castor oil we are going to get it from the castor plant. Coconut oil we are going to get it from the coconut plant. Okay, coconut seeds. Next, sunflower oil we are going to get it from the sunflower seed. From the seed part we are going to get. Okay, next, soybean oil we are going to get it from the soybean seeds. Okay, so this is the soybean seed. Then the peanut oil we are going to get the peanut oil from the peanut seeds. Okay, we have learned the benefits of these oils also, and also we are going to get the oil from the dry fruits like walnut, cashew nut, almond, raisins, cardamom. Okay, these are all the things we have learned about the oils made from some of the seeds as well as some of the raisin is a fruit. Okay, next we will study about the spices. We also get some of the herbs and the spices from the plants to add a flavor and taste to our food. Okay, so we use some of the herbs and spices to add flavor and taste to our food. So as I have already shown you, this cardamom. Okay, cardamom plant is here. Okay, from this cardamom plant we are going to get the cardamom seeds. Okay, so that will give us a good fragrance. Okay, good fragrance to the sweet food. Okay, sweet foods. That we can see the pepper, and this is called as cinnamon. Okay, so we also use many more things. So I will tell you here. Pepper plant. So the pepper leaf will appear like a beetle leaf only. Villadella varutte alva. So your parents will be using in home. It will look like a beetle leaf only. Okay, the pepper plant. The pepper seeds you can see like this. Okay, so see. Okay, you can see like this. Fine. Next is cinnamon plant. Check it. Okay, cinnamon plant you can see here. This is a cinnamon leaf. Okay, this one also we use as a spices. We are going to get it from the cinnamon tree. Okay, this is a cinnamon berries. You can see fruits of the cinnamon. This is a cinnamon berries we will call. This is how we will take the cinnamon. Okay, this bark part. Next we get okay, next we will study. And you may heard about the cloves, lavanga, right? We call it as a dry flower. Okay, so we also use cloves as a spices. Okay, spices. And then we also use marat mogo, chakra mogo, right? So we all use those things as a spices. Okay, so here cardamom means what? Elaki. Okay, pepper means cinnamon, chekke, cloves, lavanga. Okay, and cumin also we are using as a spices. It is not here. Remember this one, cumin, jirge. Okay, cumin also we will use as a spices. Okay, and the red chili also we will use as a spices. Remember that. Fine. And some other uses we will see now. Okay. For example, we get the paper from the bamboo as well as the pine trees. Okay, we get the papers, whatever you are having your textbook right now in your hand. Okay, these are prepared by using the papers. From which plant we will get these papers? From which plant we are going to prepare the books? By using the bamboo stem as well as the pine stem. So this is here. You can see this is the bamboo tree. Okay, this is a bamboo tree. Okay, so it will grow like a shrubs. Okay, bamboo shrubs. Okay, so many branches will emerge out from the ground level itself. Right, and so this is a pine tree. This is a pine tree. Okay, by using these two trees, we are going to get paper. Okay, paper and the books. And plants gives us useful things like wood. Furnitures we can prepare by using the wood. Okay, so we can prepare the table, door, chair, bed, means
Wood.
cot. Okay, we can
Wood.
get the cot,
Wood.
window, right? Yes, by using the wood of a plant, we are going to prepare many of the furnitures. Okay, we can get these furnitures from the trees like sisal, sal, walnut, pine and teak. Okay, so we are going to get furnitures from these plants. Sisal, sal, walnut, pine, teak. Okay, so we can call it as a rosewood. Okay, rosewood, teak, walnut, sal,
Hazel,
pine.
five.
Okay. So what are the things we have learned today, children? Today we have learned about the few uses of the plants, that production of the oil from the plant uses. We are going to get the oils from the plant, then spices from the plants, then paper from the plant, then furnitures from the plant. Okay, in tomorrow's class we will study about the medicinal uses of the plants as well as the other uses of the plants. Okay, fine children, thank you, have a nice